Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this episode I'm going to show you a super clean version of the histogram function that I found on the internet, which is far superior to my version that I spent 10 episodes coding up. So the key insight here is this magical list difference function, which I now know about. I did not before, but anyways, I'll walk you through this code really quick. So histogram takes in a list of integers, called build histo on those integers, reverses that and unlines it, and then appends to that the footer. So what does build histo do? Well, given an empty list, returns an empty list, of course. Given a list of integers, calls histo line on that list of integers, and then calls build histo on x's prime. Okay, before I dive into this, how does histo line work? Well, remember it's taking in the entire list of integers, and all it's doing is mapping mark over list of digits from 0 to 9, where mark of x, such that x is an element of x's, becomes asterisk, otherwise space. So it's basically taking this, this big list 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 6, and it's going to, turn 0 into a space, 1 into an asterisk, and so on. And this is just a string, Okay, so that's all that's doing. And how it is trimming down the initial list of integers is with this list difference function, which I'll show you the documentation. The list difference function, the result of x's difference y's is a list such that the first occurrence of each element of y's, in turn, if any, has been removed from x's. Thus x's y's appended to x's, difference x's is simply y's. So that is a super cool function, and that is what I was trying to accomplish with my counting values and getting the maximums and trimming. Turns out you can do it much simpler, and that is often the case. And when you discover some vastly superior method of doing something that you spent a long time trying to do, which is exactly what is happening to me right now, don't be discouraged. There are many different little functions you'll find in various modules that if you had just known about them, your life would have been a lot easier, and that is just kind of the learning process. So, all right, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.